Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how to make my very favorite salad in the whole world. It's a medley salad, it has a little bit of everything in it, and I think you're gonna love it. Every time I make this, I've been making this for years, and every time I make this, it is a huge hit. Everyone loves it. So we're actually having this for lunch tomorrow at our sourdough class, but I'm gonna go ahead and get everything prepped up, which is what I usually do. I get everything put together in a bag all together so that it goes together very easily. So I'm gonna show you everything that's in it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna show you how to put it all together. Okay, let's do it. 2 cans of drained Mandarin oranges. So I've already drained those. Throw those in. 2 bunches of green onions, and I've already washed these off. I'm just gonna snip the ends off here. Not gonna use those ends. I always snip those off. Now I'm just gonna cut them right into my bowl. And I go just about as far as I can go before I get to the hair. I don't use the hair. I have a bag of grapes that I've just washed off really good. And now I'm gonna get those out. If you like a lot of grapes, do a lot of grapes. If you don't, then don't do a lot. So we're gonna do some red grapes. And I'm gonna say a couple of cups. You can get a saucer or a plate. Sometimes I just hold my hand right here and then just cut them right in the middle. Just kind of slice right like that down the middle. Just kind of judge right where the middle is and then just go for it. That's a good 2 cups of grapes, if not more, 2.5 cups. Now we're gonna do some tomatoes and do them the same way. I like to get these multicolored tomatoes. I just think they're really pretty. So, whoop, 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 whoop. Now we're gonna do those the exact same way. Just slice them right in half. About 2 cups of these 2. Now we're gonna put in feta cheese. I need some more of that. If you like a lot of feta, which I do, I'm gonna grab some more and put in there. That's what we're gonna put in there for now. And then tomorrow, we're gonna put this into our salad mixture, which is, it could be a spring mix or a spinach mix, baby spinach. I got the spring mix with the spinach in it. And then we're just gonna pour this right into it with some sliced almonds and then a dressing. But I'm gonna put this into a Ziploc bag to store it until tomorrow. I'm gonna try to dump it all in here. There we go. Yeah, I can do it. Haha, I did it. All right, this is gonna be so easy for tomorrow. It's good to prep this ahead of time. So you're just gonna set this in the fridge and then you're ready to go. Isn't that beautiful? I'll see you tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Now we're gonna put our salad together, okay? So we're gonna use this baby spring mix. It has a little bit of everything in it. If you wanna use baby spinach, regular spinach, or even just regular iceberg or romaine, you can do that, it's fine. But I love this, I think it's prettier, and this is the kind that I like. So this is what we're using, baby spring mix. Spring mix in, get out however much out of your Ziploc bag that you want on your salad. And I just kind of sprinkle it right over the top. Just like that right there. Isn't that pretty? Now we're gonna put some sliced almonds on top. Just sprinkle those right over the top, just like that. In the past, I've made my own dressing. I've used balsamic vinegar with olive oil and a little bit of sugar, but I have found this right here is Ken's balsamic vinaigrette. It tastes just like what I can make. So it's easier. You just shake this up and then you just drizzle this right over the top, and you do all of this right before you serve it. All right, just like that. And then it's ready to go. Now, if you want to do it individually and just put your spring mix and then a bowl of your goodness here, you want to put a bowl of that and then set your dressing and almonds off to the side, and then everybody could build their own salad. Then it's, you know, not as soggy. After this sets for a while, it can be a little soggy. So then this is just ready to go right now. So let's give it a taste. A beautiful salad. I mean, it is so beautiful, and everybody, I promise, is gonna love this. It is so good. I like to get a little bit of everything. Gall dang, that's good. Go make this, you're gonna love it. Not only beautiful, it's delicious too. So go make this, you guys are gonna love it. It's a perfect spring summer salad. That's what we'll call it, spring salad. Perfect. Y'all remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.